tunnel is a magnificent engineering feat achieved by humans in breaking through the natural barriers that surround us. One tunnel after another, roads are interlinked and lands are connected. Tunnels enable people to travel to different corners of the world more conveniently and efficiently, fostering greater kinship among humans and making our world more integrated. Tunneling to link the world. China Railway Tunnel Group Company Limited, CRTG, is a backbone member of China Railway Group Limited, CRC, a Fortune Global 500 company. It is devoted to tunneling and underground works, providing full chain services such as investment, design, scientific R&D, construction, equipment manufacture and renovation, and operation and maintenance. At present, CRTG has the capacity to construct up to 500 kilometers of tunnels per year. It has made its presence in challenging and diverse terrains, from ultra-deep stratum 115 meters below the Pearl River, in the 8-degree seismic intensity Shantou Bay, the surging undercurrents of the Yangtze River in Wuhan, to the bustling city of Singapore, vast plains with urban and rural settlements, snow-covered high-altitude land, desolate and uninhabited Gobi deserts, high altitude and thinly air plateau regions, steep mountains, and the Cordillera Mountains thousands of miles away from the sea. CRTG has overcome a wide range of challenges posed by climates, terrains, geologies, landforms, and environments on this planet. 10,600 kilometers of tunnels constructed by CRTG to date, it has enabled people to reach their destinations more efficiently. Technology leads to the future, while innovation drives development. With the State Key Laboratory of Shield Machine and Boring Technology, and Guangdong Provincial Key Laboratory of Intelligent Monitoring and Maintenance for Tunnel Structures, CRTG is actively engaged in studying intelligent tunneling and making major technological breakthroughs. Its core research areas include intelligent tunneling, assembly, collaboration, and diagnosis. By application of intelligent construction technology in Shanghai Airport Connecting Line Project, CRTG is leading the way in the intelligent development of China's tunnel industry. In terms of tunnel boring machine representing mechanization of tunneling, CRTG is leading the TBM technology to continuously push the boundaries for larger diameter and greater cross-section. It has made significant improvements to various non-circular TBM, including rectangular TBM, to create a full TBM system with the most varieties of sizes and models. We break barriers and venture into uncharted space. CRTG has its tunneling technology applied in a wide range of fields to explore broader underground space. Tunneling technology has been utilized to build underground walkways, comprehensive pipe galleries, stations, malls, smart parking lots, and energy storage caves, enabling a more three-dimensional space for human activities. This solution can address issues such as overcrowding and untidiness above the urban ground, while also ensuring safer, more discreet underground construction for humans. The interconnected tunnels not only offer passage through mountains and waters, but also strengthen bonds of friendship. After 900 days of hard work, CRTG achieved an incredible feat, which enabled trains to traverse through a mountain in just 900 seconds. This breakthrough ended the plight of 1/3 of Uzbekistan's population, who once had to take a detour through a neighboring country to reach their own capital. The Red Line is a light rail project that traverses the busiest business district of Tel Aviv, Israel, greatly alleviating long-standing traffic congestion and improving transportation for local residents. The Georgia Kvasheti-Kobe Highway will solve the problem of winter traffic interruption in the Gudari mountain area, guaranteeing the smooth transportation of essential goods and supplies for local communities along the line. President of Chile, Gabriel Boric Font, visited the El Pino station of Santiago Metro Line 2, undertaken by CRTG. The president praised the importance of Metro in improving life quality. CRTG has constructed tunnels that represent peace, friendship, openness, prosperity in different parts of the world, including Europe, the Middle East, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, and South America. CRTG is committed to tunneling across mountains and waters, embracing the world, promoting global collaboration, and making steady progress toward a brighter future. China Railway Tunnel Group, CRTG, tunneling to link the world.